Dead phone at sunrise in Bali. No photos, no GPS, no way home. This isn't just a dead phone. It's your passport photos, your hotel booking, your lifeline home, gone. And it happens to thousands of travelers every single day. Why? Because they fell into the voltage trap. Imagine this. You land in Paris after a 12-hour flight. You desperately need to freshen up. You plug in your expensive hairdryer. Boom! Sparks fly. The room goes dark. You're standing there, jet-lagged and frustrated. This is why you need to know about voltage differences. Most of the world runs on 220-240 volts, while North America uses 110-120. That difference? It's a gadget killer. The mistake travelers make? Thinking an adapter is enough. Wrong. An adapter just changes the plug shape. A converter transforms dangerous voltage levels to protect your devices. The Ceptics World Travel Power Converter is your electronic lifesaver. It handles everything from phones to laptops to hair tools, works in over 200 countries, and has built-in surge protection. It's smaller than your passport but prevents hundreds in damaged equipment. Don't learn this lesson the hard way. I've seen travelers in tears when their cameras, phones, and laptops get fried on day one of their dream vacation. Go Globetrotters, share your voltage horror stories below, and subscribe for more essential travel tips that could save your next adventure.